Today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable email notifications in Gmail step by step so you can control exactly when you get alerted about new messages. If you want fewer distractions or if you never want to miss an important email, this quick Gmail setting is really useful. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account you want to change. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. From the menu that appears, click See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings page where you can adjust lots of different options. Now, at the top, make sure you're on the General tab. If it doesn't open there automatically, click General so you can access notification settings. Next, scroll down until you find the section called Desktop Notifications. This is the area that controls whether Gmail can alert you on your computer when new mail arrives. If you want to enable notifications, select New Mail Notifications on. In some cases, Gmail may also show a link that says click here to enable desktop notifications. If you see that link, click it. Your browser will then ask for permission to show notifications, so choose Allow in the pop-up. That permission is important because Gmail can only send desktop alerts if your browser is allowed to display them. Once that's enabled, Gmail will be able to notify you whenever a new message comes in. Now, if you want to turn notifications off instead, stay in the same desktop notification section and select Mail Notifications Off. That tells Gmail not to show desktop alerts for incoming email. After making your choice, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. This part is important because Gmail won't save the change until you do. Click Save Changes to apply your settings, and that's it. You've successfully enabled or disabled email notifications in Gmail. You can come back to this same settings menu anytime if you want to change your notification preferences again. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Gmail and email tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.